Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have an exciting unboxing sneak peek for you from Diamond Art Club. This is part of their new Disney releases. If you haven't seen yet on the Diamond Art Club Facebook group, they are releasing 20 Disney licensed diamond paintings this Saturday. So if you haven't seen them, join the Diamond Art Club VIP group, follow their page on Instagram, on Facebook, and check them out. There's tons of new Disney released paintings, and they're so cute. They're like in different art styles. Anyway, this one is Sweet Snow White. Look how adorable it is. It's a different kind of style. Like, it kind of looks like her dress is faded here, but we'll get into it and we will see what it's like. So we do have our regular Diamond Art Club boxing here. It is a round drill. It is a 50.6 centimeter by 60.8 centimeter. Turn it here. We have a little silhouette of Snow White here. That's adorable. What else? We got the how it works and such on the back. We have our thumbnail here. So it looks like there's 33 colors, including one AB, one electrode diamond, and 2 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds is 40,664. And let's see, we have the Disney trademark down here. All right, we have also have our thumbnail on the bottom too, in case you like to stack your paintings. So let's get into it here. I'm super stoked about the Disney releases. I want to know which ones have they previewed that you have on your must-have list. I liked a lot of the Ariel ones, and there's a bunch for me. All right, so we have our Diamond Art Club toolkit here that I'll go through pretty quickly. This is their upgraded toolkit. So we have our pen. We have the extra baggies for your drills if you choose to store them that way, or if you finish the painting you have leftover, maybe you like to store them that way too. We have our upgraded twisty pen here. Ooh, this one has a bronze tip. All right, I haven't seen that quite yet, which I like that because I wasn't a huge fan of the other tip. I seem to get putty everywhere with that. I have not seen one with a bronze tip, but yeah, the other one, it just seemed like I kept getting putty all over the canvas. So I'm twisting it. You can see it coming out. It is exciting. I'm not sure if this is going to be in like all the new kits like this, but personally, I like this kind of tip more. I don't have another one handy, or I would show you in comparison. Hold on, let me go get one real quick. Okay, this is the twisty pen from a different canvas. So as you can see, it's not a bronze tip. They did get the more narrow tip going on. But yeah, the ones that I kept having issues with were the thicker tips. So this is an interesting addition. Look, I twisted too much. This is why you twist and then you have to wait, ladies and gents. Look at that. I'm gonna leave this out and work with that later. See if I like it more. All right, anyway, we have our upgraded tray here. This tray is much smoother, it's larger, it's thicker, more durable, and it has the lid and the grooves on the bottom so you could stack them if you'd like. We have an extra multi-placer. We have our refillable putty if that pen runs out. If you don't like the putty, they also send you pink wax there. You just have to use, you know, your own old school pen with that one. With the wax, yeah. Gosh, I'm fumbling on words. Okay, let's take a look at the thank you packet here. So it is our regular tips and tricks. You have a QR code for their Facebook group. Save 20% off your first order. How to. If this is your first, or if it will be your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, check the description of this video. It is my affiliate link. You would get a little discount, and I get a slight kickback as well. So check that out if it's your first time purchasing. Okay, we open it up. These are individual stickers that you can use to kit up your painting. There's our thumbnail of the painting. It shows you it has diamond colors, 33, shape round. It's 50.6 centimeters by 60.8 centimeters. You can put your start date and end date. These are also little stickers as well. And yeah, here's our symbols. So let's see here. So we have our AB listed here. They now put the special drills at the end of the list. So we have our AB right there. It looks like AB 972. And we'll take a closer look at the drills as well. This is our electro diamond K444. And here are two fairy dust, Z155 and Z704. So we have our regular Diamond Art Club symbols there. With that, let's check out the canvas. Oh, we did get a trading card. Eek! I was wondering if the new Disney ones were going to come with one, and they do. So this is another like collection thing that you can keep a hold of, but you can also redeem them after so many for like gift cards and even a custom diamond painting after you get so many. That has a scratchy thingy on the back too. You can use to redeem. But yeah, or you can just do it for keep it for keepsakes. We have the Disney logo there. It says Disney Princess. Sweet Snow White and the size. Sweet Snow White. Love it. Okay. Now let's take a look at the canvas here. I know I saw some people post that they have like, there's mixed opinions about the artwork style for this kind here. But with their Disney release, I noticed that they're not doing all this kind of style. It's a bunch of different stuff. Oh my goodness. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, so this is one of those canvases that looks incredible in person. I'm just gonna flatten this out real quick. You can do this too when you first unroll a painting. If you just take up a corner just a little bit at a time and just flatten it right back out, it doesn't get it completely flat, but Diamond Art Club uses poured glue, which is just automatically self-leveling. So all it takes, you just gotta kind of help it a little, you know? All right. Now we have it laid flat. But yeah, this definitely is prettier in person than the pictures show of it. She's super pretty. I was kind of concerned about the chunks of white, but it gives it like, I don't know, I'd have to see it done, but I bet it would give it like this antique-y type of feel here. So the colors definitely pop. She's super pretty. And it looks like we do have our perforated covering, which is just kind of pre-sectioned plastic to make it easier, you know, to lift up sections at a time. You do have to feel for this. There's no red lines on this. Yeah, you can just peel back sections and, you know, unveil. So you don't have to do the washi tape method where you can like accidentally slice your canvas and such. But yeah, she's really pretty. Let's take a look at the drills here. We'll go through these one by one. All right. Oh, there we go. All right. Zoom in just a wee bit. We have 943, 961, 948. Oh, 3 bags of 948. Oh, it's her skin. So 310. Here is one of our ABs, 972. Beautiful. 2 bags of 600. 3807. 336. 5200. 976. 3756. Here is our fairy dust. It's really pretty green fairy dust. Z704. 309. 333. Here's another fairy dust. Z155. Pretty. And 6020. Let's look at the other strand. Where'd we go? Okay. We have 3799, 3831, 3731, 3866, 3860, 758, 224, 909, 317. Ooh, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is our electro drill. This is K444. Look how pretty that is. I may have to get these out and show you all on the tray because, whew, that is amazing. I haven't seen too many kits with these types of drills. We'll take a closer look in just a bit. So this is 754 451 992 975 321 977 3826. All right, let's take a closer look at the electro drill. I just haven't seen that too often, and those look poppin', man. Just a second. All right, so if you're like me and you haven't seen these in too many kits quite yet, look how beautiful these are. So this is, it gives it like a metallic feel and like definitely makes it pop, and they're specially coated to bring some extra bling, and they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I did go ahead and look on the canvas where the ABs and such are, and we have the AB and the fairy dusts throughout the background here, like in all the flowers and such. And what do they call them? Electro drills. I saw a little section highlighting this right here, and we have it in her zipper right here. So that is where these electro will go, zipping her up, and it's gonna be highlighting this section of the background. Yeah, the rest are just, it's kind of scattered beautifully. So the background will pop for sure, which makes her, I think the whole idea of this kind of art style is to make her a little bit more subtle. But yeah, this is a really pretty painting. It's so much prettier in person. If you're not used to this style, you'll just have to take my word for it, because she is very, very pretty. I must say so. This would look great in like a kid's room or as a gift for, you know, nostalgia people. I think they're great. So check out the other Disney releases coming this Saturday. They will probably go pretty quick. So check the Diamond Art Club Facebook group. And like I said, if it's your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, use my link below so you get a little bit of a discount. And yeah, until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, subscribe if you're new and hit the thumbs up on your way out. Until next time, everyone, bye-bye.